settled. We have, oh, there was a spell, there was a spell. Entry number 7, Music Quest, Jackie Darwin Pagar, left unseated on top of horse Music Quest. And going along for the first turn, we have Majestic Queen, the early leader, Deep Packets in second, Rain of Fire in the middle. Shibum comes next, then moving upon the outside now is entry number 2, and this one is Rain of Fire. And going along for the first turn, we have entry number 1, Majestic Queen, maintaining a head lead. Moving upon the outside, Deep Packets. Rain of Fire comes next. Cash McCall is down in fourth, Shibum. Then followed over by Smooth Strike, Ride the Lightning. Trouble Master comes next, while entry number 6, Batang Bukid, is in behind them. And at the far turn, we have Deep Packets by about 2 lengths. Moving upon the outside now, Shibum together with Cash McCall. Running by the Real Majestic Queen, Rain of Fire. Moving up now on the outside is Ride the Lightning. Trouble Master next on Leno, Smooth Strike, while Batang Bukid is still running at the tail of the field. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Deep Packets moving upon the outside now, Shibum. Cash McCall in the middle. Majestic Queen is by the rail with about 100 meters of the race. We have Shibum moves up to take the lead. Cash McCall is on the outside, but it's still Shibum, Cash McCall, Trouble Master, and finally Shibum, Cash McCall, Trouble Master, Ride the Lightning. Then comes Deep Packets, Smooth Strike.
Well, Shibum.
5, 8, 4, 10 yung aking unang tatlong